The LaserRay 13 RGB IP65 is a professional-grade multi-head laser fixture designed for lighting professionals who want to seamlessly integrate lasers into their workflow. The LaserRay 13 is unique compared to conventional laser systems. It contains 6 full-color laser outputs at 2.2 watts each, all of which can be independently controlled with full XY scanning, so you can create a diverse arrangement of laser effects from each output. It's essentially like having 6 lasers all integrated into a single IP65 rated housing. Lighting professionals will appreciate the LaserRay 13 IP65's output quality, boasting an endless gamut of homogeneous colors made possible by the laser's internal color mixing system. The LaserRay 13 IP65 functions more like an array of moving heads rather than a simple beam bar. Freely move on both the X and Y axis with a scan angle of 45 degrees, giving you the ability to project a wealth of atmospheric effects, all with the slick, vivid, and bold look you get from a laser projector. All of which is integrated into a rugged, touring-grade IP65 housing, ideal for life on the road. Control and effects for the device are entirely programmable using DMX and ArtNet, featuring over 50 gobos at your command, with the ability to produce static beam projections, cones, fans, and sheets, all with linear and angular gradient capability. With 35 channels per head, you can control a variety of functions within the laser, giving you an immense amount of effect possibilities to work with. Setup parameters such as control mode and addressing are set using the built-in control interface on the back of the laser. You can also easily daisy-chain multiple LaserRay 13 IP65 systems together and control them via DMX or ArtNet. On the back of every LaserRay 13, you'll find DMX, Ethernet, e-stop, and power in and out connections. Safety is always a priority at Unity. That's why the LaserRay includes an e-stop safety system, as well as a mechanical shutter, emissions delay, and masking plate, ensuring full compliance with FDA and EN 60825-1 regulations. And to make sure that you're ready to go right outside of the box, every LaserRay system includes a flight case with custom cut foam, an e-stop, all necessary cables, keys, interlocks, a manual, and a training guide. We're a customer-driven company, and regardless of where you are in the world, Unity Lasers has you covered. With free training and support, a free variance filing, and service centers around the globe. All backed by the global Pangolin and Cavant network and teams. High-impact lasers. First-class support for the emerging professional. That's Unity.